Hollywood drug stacks celebrities use to get shredded and camera ready. See this transformation? How long do you think it took? 6 months? 3 months? Haha, try 6 weeks. 6 weeks while filming 12-hour days, surviving on 5 hours of sleep, and doing stunt training on top of it. You see, building muscle and stripping fat that fast? It's biologically impossible unless you're using what I call the Hollywood peptide stack. Now, Hollywood doesn't talk about this publicly. No one's going to admit to it in an interview, but this stack is behind almost every major on-screen transformation you've ever seen. From superheroes to soldiers, from dramatic comebacks to shirtless beach scenes, it's chemistry, not luck. And today, I'm breaking down exactly what's in it, how it works, and what most people don't understand about how these transformations really happen. Let's start with the truth. These actors aren't blessed, they're biohacked. When you have a $100 million movie on the line, you hire the best doctors, nutritionists, and performance scientists in the world. They're running blood work weekly, tracking sleep, cortisol, glucose, inflammation, liver enzymes, the works. Every single variable is optimized to the hour. So while the internet's debating chicken versus steak, Hollywood is mapping their entire hormonal cascade and using peptides to manipulate how their body recovers, burns fat, and builds muscle. Here's the stack that you'll never hear them admit to. Terzepatide, the foundation of most Hollywood transformations. It's a growth hormone releasing analog, clinically proven to reduce visceral fat while preserving lean muscle. Actors use it to look tighter, leaner, more 3D on camera because it enhances the body's own GH pulses, not a synthetic injection. Think of faster fat loss, deeper recovery, and skin that looks 10 years younger. Ipamorelin. This is Terzepapide's partner in crime. While Terzepapide drives GH, Ipamorelin amplifies it, increasing frequency and amplitude of natural pulses while improving sleep, recovery, and muscle repair. Together, they're like flipping on the body's repair switch day and night. BPC 157, known as the body protection compound. This one's for wear and tear. Actors training 6 days a week, their joints, tendons, and ligaments are screaming. BPC accelerates healing from the inside out, even gut health, so they can push harder without breaking down. TB500, this is the recovery amplifier. Derived from thymosin beta-4, TB500 enhances actin production, improving mobility, reducing inflammation, and repairing soft tissue. While stacked with BPC 157, it's the ultimate recovery duo. The reason some actors can train like athletes with zero downtime. GHK-CU, the secret to that camera-ready glow. It's a copper peptide that boosts collagen and elastin, tightens skin, and even improves hair density. Most use it topically, that's this here. But systemic use takes things further. Skin looks younger, tighter, and more vibrant under those 4K studio lights. MOTS-C, this one's wild and perhaps one of my favorite. It's a mitochondria peptide that acts like an exercise mimetic. It literally teaches your cells to burn fat more efficiently, increase endurance, and stabilize blood sugar. In other words, it helps you get more out of every workout. Less fatigue, more output, faster results. That's how actors survive months of grueling prep without crashing. And then there's Retatrutide, the king. This triple agonist targets GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon receptors simultaneously. Translation, it obliterates fat while preserving muscle and regulating appetite like nothing we've ever seen. In clinical data, it's showing up to 24% total body weight reduction, outperforming Semaglutide and Tirzepatide by a mile. If you've ever noticed actors leaning out faster than ever lately, this is why. It's the most powerful recomposition compound on the planet right now, and it's changing the game. Something you really have to understand here though, right? Most celebrity teams aren't just throwing darts at the board. They're layering these in strategically. Terzepatide and Ipamorelin, the GH Foundation, BBC 157 and TV500, the repair and resilience combo. GHK, the CU, aesthetic enhancement, skin and hair, and then you've got MOTS-C and Retatrutide, energy, fat oxidation, and metabolic control. Together, it's the ultimate recomposition protocol, burning fat, building muscle, and recovering faster than nature allows. Now here's what most people don't get. These results, they're not magic, they're managed. Every variable is measured, blood work weekly, sleep tracked nightly, everything dialed in around their biology. That's the difference between guessing and precision. You don't need a Hollywood salary to do this right, you just need data. And that's what we do inside FitScript, test, interpret, and optimize using real biomarkers. Because once you know what's going on inside your body, you can create your own elite level transformation the same way they do. Quick, Disclaimer, this content is for educational and research purposes only. None of this is medical advice, and I'm not suggesting or prescribing the use of any compound. Always consult with a qualified professional before beginning any new protocol. Now, if you're looking to do some research of your own, there's a great research-only brand that I'll link below. And if you got value from this breakdown, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. It helps more people discover the truth about how human optimization really works. Lastly, I personally read every single comment. I may not have the time to reply to all of them, but I will pick the best ones and record new videos based on what you want to learn next. Drop your questions below, and I'll see you in the next one.